Welcome. Today I am with Honor 7X and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So at first we are going to start from the photo mode. You can quickly increase and decrease the brightness level. So we just take a look. When you click on the screen and you get this sun icon, you can move it like that. And you are going to decrease the brightness level. You can also increase by tapping on the screen and the brightness level will be set up automatically. But you can also move the sun icon for the upper section of your display. So when you want to adjust the brightness level on the photos, you don't have to use the Pro mode. You can make it straight from the photo mode. Right now we are going to enter for the settings, where we can find a couple of the useful options. The first one is the camera timer. We can pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds. When you choose, for example, the 2 seconds and click on the shutter, after this time the photo will be taken. So it will be useful when you want to take the group photo with your friends, for example, and you want to put the phone on the tripod and then take photo with the rear camera. So you will have enough time when you set it up, for example, for 10 seconds to just hit the shutter and then go around the phone, stay in front of the rear camera and then just be on the photo with your friends. Right now I'm gonna turn it off because I don't need this function to be turned on. Another option that we can use is the audio control. So as you can see, we can choose to say cheese to the photos or take photos when our voice reaches a certain decibel level. So I'm gonna say with the cheese. As you can see right here on our shutter, the voice activation is detected, so we can try to say cheese and our phone take photo. So as you can see, it's working. But let's turn it off. Another option is touch to capture. So sometimes you can hold your phone like that in the one hand and the other hand is just unavailable, so you are, for example, holding another item with that hand, and with this hand you cannot reach the shutter right here. So you can simply click on the screen and the photo will be also taken. So right now our whole display is working like this shutter. Okay, let me just turn it off. And the last option that we can find here as useful, for me of course, it's the volume button function. Currently it's set up on the shutter, so when you press volume up or down button, you are going to take a photo. But I can show you how great the zoom function works when you set it up to the volume buttons. Just take a look. I'm gonna put this phone a little bit higher and then I'm gonna press the power button. I mean the volume up button, and I can smoothly zoom in and zoom out by pressing these buttons. For me it's more useful than pinching screen with your 2 fingers. Right now we can go through the modes that we can find right here when you slide for the left side, and in this place we can find the filters. Okay, here we are. I will show you the example of our HardReset logo. As you can see, we can pick the default filters. Let's quickly change the color and the temperature of the photos. We can also go for the black and white filter. So if you want to change your photos, you can make it right here, and you don't have to download any external application from the Play Store. You can make it straight from the camera filter mode that you can find right here as default. We can also find very rare the Pro Video mode. I'm honestly surprised that this kind of a feature is in this price range phone, but here it just works the same like in the Pro Photo mode. So we can adjust a few things manually, and if you don't know what is going on here, we can tap on this information icon and you will find the great description of every option that we can adjust manually. If you don't know what is going on here, you can also check our other video on this mode. And yes, that's all things. I mean, the best things that we can find right here in this camera, I think, for me, of course, and that's what I want to show you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.